Alright, this is how to change your insulator on the BAM. And most any other mods, APVs, whatever you like to call them, devices, with just a standard press-in type 510 connector. And I'm shooting this video for someone who bought a BAM overseas and they're actually having a problem because their insulator, the silicone insulator, split on them. So this is a little instruction on how to fix this. So what we're going to need is what I use, and I had to manually zoom in here so it looks good. Just a eyeglass, really tiny screwdriver. You can see it's pretty small. Pair of needle nose tweezers, a 510 connector, a new one, and your device that is, or your BAM that is got a problem. So the first thing you're going to do, and let me zoom in nice and close on this for you so I can bring it up closer to the camera, and I'm going to try and do this through the camera. And what I want to do is start just prying it up. I'm going to get it up just a little bit. As you can see, it's up just a little bit now. To where now I can come in here with my tweezers and get just underneath it. Making sure. I know I'm going back and forth a little bit from the video shot to actually looking at it, so I'm not missing it. And then just kind of, well, that's not supposed to happen. Looks like I gotta try that again. Okay, so be careful. On the last one, as you can see, I actually pulled up on that center pin a little bit too hard and pulled the center pin right out. I'll have to resolder that back in. So where I left off was working it up just enough, just like that. Then you could take, usually you're going to have a ring like this. This actually isn't a ring. You'll see what that's part of here in a moment. And then the rest of the insulator, like so. So then we're going to take your brand new insulator. Normally you can just stick a screwdriver in there and push down and it'll generally pop out. And what we're going after is the insulator here. This is the part that you need. So be careful with it, because it's thin. This is the problem with these push-in insulators. These silicone, they're very thin. And as you can see, what happened with this one, it basically just split. It's supposed to look like that. So it's split. So let's put the new one in. I'm gonna have to zoom this back down because I cannot hold on to it and put this on at the same time. So you want to work it around the pin. If you need to, gently pull that up just a little bit. And you want to get that on the pin like that. Alright, now I can work with one hand. So we got it there. Kind of start working it down below the center pin. Alright, so now we're down below the pin. And now you kind of, this is the part where it could get a little tricky. But you want to work that bottom flange in there. You know, this part of it. See that little lip right there? You want to get that down past here. So sometimes they pop right in, and sometimes they take a little bit of work, a little patience, and it'll eventually just kind of pop back in there. And right about now, I'll probably fast forward the video a little bit so it's not too boring. Okay. Alright, now I got it sitting in there. Get a little more light done in there for you. So it's sitting in there flush now. Now all we need to do is get rid of this glare. I use a punch, just something with something that's flat. Place it right on there, push it in, you're done. It should sit nice and flat, be a little spongy, but yeah, that's it. That's how to replace your insulator, and the BAM will work again. You know, thankfully the BAM has got the circuit protector in there, so if this ever shorts again, you know, it's going to protect the unit, it's going to protect your battery. So that's how to replace the insulator. And you got any questions, shoot me an email, smokefreemods@gmail.com. See you guys later. Bye.